my experience today at this school. It was very emotional, and I feel so much love in my heart. And I thank God. This is all what I have to say. Thank you so much.
My name is Xenia Hüger. Yes, I'm 42. I'm from Germany. Thank you for having me here.
We learned that you form an association called Sounds of Hope. Why do you come with this idea to form this association?
Yes. It started in my childhood when I was 8. Um, yes, I feel this inside one day when I'm an adult. I want to move and I want to rule the world. I want to make a better world, yes. And when I was 35, I started Sounds of Hope in Uganda, in Lugasi, Uganda. But I started in Uganda first with a very little school of 35 kids with my partner Nicholas Mobesi there, with my friend. Yes, with a little house, and after this, yes, a celebrity from Germany, a rapper. His name is Kollega Felix Blume. He helped me to build a bigger house for the kids. And then this house is grown to more than 100 children. And also we built school there and water fontaine, everything is there. Yes, since 2000, it's between 2018 and 2019, yes. We started this in Uganda.
Apart from Uganda, do you also visit other African countries?
Yes. And after this project in Uganda, I hear a calling between, yes, the major of Jataba, Bakari Bisane, and his son Omar Sane, a friend of mine. And they're talking about the water problem in Jataba, Gambia. And also they have no hospital there. It's very far away. And then I decided, okay, let's build a water fontaine there. Also, I have there a celebrity who helped me with that from the USA model called Hannah Nietzsche. And yes, thanks to all the donators from all over the world, but yes, especially from Germany to help me with this great work for God. Yes, Sounds of Hope. And then we built it first the water fontaine in Jataba, Gambia, and also then after the hospital. Yes.
Now that you are in Bakari Zambia here, can you tell us your mission in this place?
Yes. When I built this, when I opened up the hospital in 2021, I met my sister from another Mr. Fatu, Sanyang, and she told me about also the education problem at Busumbala. We started first with a school in Busumbala, also Arabic Quran school there, but they moved away. And after she come to me last September, she come to me and asked me, what do you mean? Can we build a school here, Arabic and Quran school here in Gunjur? I said, yes. And my grandma also, she told me, Xenia, let's do this. Yes, and then now it's done.
I've seen you with some materials here.
Yes. Also, I got a lot of donations for my children because in Germany I'm also a single mother too. I work there at a kindergarten, kindergarten educator, and these children at my kindergarten, they yes, they share their toys, and also the parents of them a lot of money. Now we can have here more Quran, more books, and also yeah, other stuff like pencils and books. Yes, today we can share with the children when we open up the school.
You know, to venture in this kind of adventure is not easy. What gives you the courage to help African people?
God, it's God, only God. Yes, He give me the power every day because now we have November, and now exactly I do this 7 years. Yes, every day I collect money. Every day I push this on my website, on Instagram, face to face, everywhere, Facebook to collect money. And now, yes, I collected already more than 700,000 euro for all these projects in Uganda, Gambia, Ghana, Nigeria, and Tanzania, Kenya also, yes.
What message would you like to send to others who can do what you are doing, but they are not doing it?
Yes, every day I tell the people, I'm telling the people, please wake up because we are not alone here and you have to share. You can share what you have, a little or more. Sharing is caring, and sharing, yeah, to share is love. It's just love. And if you give love, it's so, you got so much love. You get so much love back. It's so beautiful. And I always tell the people also, it's my work for God, and it fill your heart with joy and love and peace. And we are all brothers and sisters. This is my opinion, yes.
Finally, before we leave you, what will be your final message to those watching you?
I just want to say thank you for believing in my mission of Sounds of Hope. And thanks to all the donators, thanks to my family and my friends believing in me. If they are here in person or if they are already in heaven, I thank God. Thank you so much.
For my kids from kindergarten in Germany, they collect this all for your, yeah, for your kids. You can use this.
It's everything, yeah?
Yes? I hope you like it.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Let's start with this. Oh! This means we have to prepare the other toilet and the kitchen. We need a top.
Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon to you all. I would like to thank Sister Celia for helping us our education. Yeah. Since we came here, our education have been strong and your food is nice. We are having sponsors. So we like to thank you so much. May God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you. May God bless you too. And September last year, my sister Fatu came to me. She make a video call and told me about to build a new school, a Arabic, a Quran school. And at this time, I was at my grandma. My grandma is over 90, and she said to me, "Let's do it, Xenia." And it's me. I'm a single mother from Germany. I'm doing this work since 7 years in different African countries in my free time. And then I started to collect money for this school to build it. And my sister Fatu helped me to organize everything. And also here with me is my main sponsor, Norbert. He's the main sponsor of this. And me, I want to thank everybody, every donator all over the world, yes, to help us to build this Arabic Quran school. Yes, thank you so much. And I hope you enjoy your school, your education, your prayers. And yes, believe in God, be strong, and I love you, okay? I love you. Thank you so much. Thank you.